Hey guys, welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Tries. Alright, we want to remind you guys that if you're new here, this is the first time you're watching one of our videos, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you enjoy this video, guys, give us a like, give us that thumb up. Share it with your friends. And of course, you can leave a comment if there's anything that you want to pinpoint. Just leave a comment down below. Alright, today is a very exciting video. So today we actually will be doing we'll be trying a snack box. But the interesting thing about this snack box that we'll be trying is that they are all vegan snacks.
For the vegetarians. I don't think
it's not vegetarian. Vegan and vegetarian is different, right, Shari? Shari will tell me that vegan and vegetarian is two different things.
Alright, thanks for the
Don't ask me the difference, but Shari can enlighten me all in the comments.
Vegan is like strictly no meat, right? Like they don't eat.
Don't ask me. But anyway, it's a vegan box, and this is actually called Vegan Eats Box.
Right.
It's a box that is actually out here in Jamaica.
Right.
So we actually just picked it up from.
Right. We'll put the contact info in the description. It's basically they put together a box that you can purchase. You can select different snacks or items. It's not just snacks alone, but different vegan items, and they will put the box together for you, and they will deliver it for you, or you can do a pickup. So this box actually costs $2,300, right? Based on the contents that are in it. So yes, let's see. This is we don't even open the box yet. It's still sealed. So you're going to be as surprised as we are to see what's happening for this box.
It's kind of heavy. I'm actually pretty excited because not only are we just trying one thing, we're going to try
everything,
a variety of different snacks. So that's it.
Alright, so let me go ahead
you do the knife thing.
Open
okay,
it.
I missed it.
So what's going on?
Take a video.
Voila. We need to get a close-up of this so you can see what is happening.
Alright.
Right, so these are the things that are in the box.
You would have seen in the B-roll the close-up of each of the items.
Right.
Yeah. So this is gonna be quite interesting, guys.
Yeah.
I think you should pick the first one.
I don't know. This is Hearts. I Heart
Quinoa Puffs.
Quinoa.
Okay. Yes, and it says non-GMO. It's verified, gluten-free, certified gluten-free. Yeah, it has 0 sugars.
Wow.
0 trans fat, 0 fat, 0 saturated fat. Sorry, 120 calories. Yeah, we're just going to give you the basics.
Right.
So yeah, you own me.
Let's do the honor. Okay.
Okay.
It smells garlicky.
Yeah, it smells really. It almost smells like croutons.
Yes.
It almost smells like croutons. But the garlic very strong though.
Let's talk about the what's it called? The rosemary. Yes. It has rosemary on it, and the rosemary is very strong.
Yeah, very strong.
They're kind of not feeling it.
I mean, it's aight.
A lot of herbs in it though. It's not bad.
Not bad.
but if you're not used to the rosemary, like the strong aroma of rosemary.
Really strong. The herbs in there are really strong.
The rosemary in it is really strong. More? Okay. Alright, this one I'm trying.
Alright, this one is, you read this one.
Enjoy Life lentil chips. Garlic and parmesan.
I feel like I'd like this one.
Yeah.
Wait, we didn't give that one thumbs up, thumbs down.
For this one, it's my first time trying anything like this, right?
It is our first time trying this.
Well, any
of these.
It's the first time. The taste is not bad. It's something that I will have to get used to because of the as I said, the strong aroma and the strongness of the herb in it. But I'll give it a half thumbs up.
Yeah, I would give it a halfway thumb. Okay.
Yeah.
From the packaging, these kind of remind me of like Tostitos. The smells are very interesting. Let's say that.
It reminds me of corn chips.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it says made with high protein lentils. It's allergy friendly. Again, it says non-GMO verified. It has 110 calories, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 14 grams of carbohydrate, 0 sugars. Yeah, it's interesting. It's not bad. I feel like it's a little bit more flavorful than the one we had first.
The smells though is something that is kind of new to me.
Okay.
But for that,
what do you give it?
I definitely give it a halfway thumb.
I give it a thumbs up. This one is really not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I prefer it over the first one. Okay, this one is cauliflower puffs. The brand of it is Vegan Robs. Yeah, it just says plant-based, crunchy good, gluten-free, kosher, non-GMO. Again, 140 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, carbohydrates 17 grams, sugars 1 gram.
1 gram of sugar. 1 gram of sugar. She said 17 grams sugar is 1.
17 grams of carbohydrate.
Oh, and 1 gram sugar.
Right, 1 gram.
Right. I mean, we do eat cauliflower, cook it, but to have it as a snack, like a dry snack.
This one has a, you smell it. It has a lighter smell. Yeah. It's not as
strong. The aroma is not as strong as the others.
Right. This is what it looks like, guys.
Cheese puff. They have a cheese puff to it, but it's not so. It doesn't have the cheese in it, but it's nice. This is nice. This is really nice.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Yeah.
I know that a lot of people use cauliflower and make like what we just say. They use it and make macaroni and cheese and chicken, quote unquote. So they make it in a way that it kind of reminds you of fried chicken.
Right.
Like baked potato or baked macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is nice. I think this is my favorite so far.
Yeah. I give it a thumbs up.
I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. The Vegan Robs probiotic cauliflower puff.
That's it.
Definitely enjoy this one.
Alright.
This is something that we'll have to pop, or it's already pop? Pops here, pop.
Oh no. Alright, so we can't really try this one right now.
You sure?
Because it's the seeds.
Oh.
So this is it's called mini pops, air popped.
I think we should pop it and then come back just to show it instead of like not to show it in this episode. Alright, so we're going to pop this. We're going to leave this for last. What's else in the box?
Alright, this one is plant-based Vega protein snack bar, blueberry and oat, 10 grams of protein. Again, non-GMO verified. It has 2.5 grams of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 11 grams of sugar, 22 grams of carbohydrate.
Well, this is like a treat, like a sweet treat out of all.
I'm thinking that it's gonna be something sweet. They have protein shake in it. I can smell it already. Ooh, this kind of looks pretty. Kind of looks pretty, guys.
Yeah, I can smell it from here. It has a nice sweet smell to it.
It kind of looks like this. That's what it looks like.
It smells
seems
nice.
to be like it's good, like it would be chewy.
It is chewy. You know, like the yogurt bars.
Wow.
This is really nice.
You know, I'm a sweet tooth girl, so.
Yeah, she is, so. This is definitely up her high.
Thumbs up all the way for this one.
Yeah, that's good.
Really
Save
nice.
some for later.
Yeah.
This is Justine's maple almond butter.
Almond butter.
This shit tastes nice.
The ingredients on it says knead and squeeze before opening.
It says you squeeze it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the ingredients I was telling you is dry roasted almonds, maple sugar, palm oil, sea salt. That is it.
Yeah.
I guess you can put this on. I don't know. Something named vegan bread. Shari tell me.
There's a vegan bread.
If them have vegan bread, they'd put this on, or vegan crackers or something. Yeah, but we don't have any vegan bread or crackers, so we're just going to try it by itself.
Yeah.
Alright. It does look like peanut butter. Consistency of like peanut butter.
I mean, almond is kind of nuts, so.
Tastes like Milo.
More like, no, not Milo, more like, what's it called?
Tastes like
Horlicks. It's like Horlicks.
Tastes like Milo to me.
I get the Horlicks back.
But this is nice.
It is. Can you eat it with crackers?
Vegan crackers.
Vegan crackers.
Where do I get that from?
I don't know. And we have this here organic black beans.
I think this you have to cook it. I think you have to boil it or something.
Yeah, you can put it in the microwave and just heat it up. Yeah. And then we have protein shake.
Oh Lord. Should we get a glass? It's a vegan, it's called Organic Nutrition Vegan All-in-One Protein Shake. It says it's plant-based. It has 16 grams of protein. It's gluten-free. It has 21 vitamins and minerals, and this is the vanilla bean flavor.
Alright, so let's see what this looks like. It looks, they have the vanilla like color in it.
Well, vanilla have a color?
Well, I know vanilla is always like based on ice cream and other stuff. They always make it.
Alright, so they actually tell you a little bit about what's inside. So they say organic pea protein, organic fruits, organic veggies, and organic chia seeds. It's dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, non-GMO, and vegan. It says get picky with your protein.
It's fresh. It reminds me of soy. It have that soy taste to it. They've not feel it at all.
Did we write this one? Did we give this one a...
Oh, this one I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. Yes, I'll give this a thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll give that a thumbs up. This one though,
this is a halfway thumbs. The protein.
It has a little aftertaste that welcome tastes like
soy.
Ugh. I don't know that one.
Remind me of soy milk, like the raw soy milk. That's what it reminds me.
Has a little aftertaste that it's making me a little gaggy.
So we're going to pop the popcorn, and all right. So we actually opened the popcorn, and we look inside of it.
It's actually popped. Well,
they're already popped. It's like mini. They're really tiny. Look at that.
It smells, I guess, kind of like, I don't know if natural was to have a smell. Like this is what it smells.
Yeah.
Yeah. It kind of have a grain kind of smell. I'm not gonna take too much. And this is called Mini Pops Air Pops Sorghums with sea salt, non-GMO, corn-free. And then on the back it tells you what sorghum is. It's the 5th most harvested cereal grain, so it is a grain on the globe. Over 8 million acres of land is devoted to this. It is used for our mini pops. It's specifically grown to be the highest quality and free of genetic modification.
Right. It is really. It's good. It tastes like regular popcorn.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad.
But it's just the size, and it just kind of.
It kind of tastes like regular popcorn. I guess it's not as salty, I guess, as the regular popcorn, but it's not bad.
For this, you can just cut and eat it I guess we'll just try this some other time.
Yeah. But overall, I think this was a pretty interesting box.
Yeah.
What would you give the sorghum?
I'd give it a halfway thumbs.
I'd give it a thumbs up. It's really not bad. It's really not bad. It reminds you of popcorn. Alright, so what was your favorite thing out of this box?
My favorite thing out of the box is definitely the vegan Rob's cauliflower puffs. This is a must for me. I think I will try and get this somewhere somehow. I don't know. This is good. This is definitely good. And secondly, the peanut, the almond, the butter.
Alright, and my favorite thing is hands down, you know, I'm a sweets girl, so the Vega protein snack bar. This is my favorite. I'm actually gonna hold on to it because I think I'm gonna have the rest of it over here. But yeah, this was really fun to do.
Yeah, this was different. This is really fun.
Really fun. To do a variety of stuff for you guys and vegan stuff. We do not eat vegan. We're not vegans at all.
Right.
But so this was quite interesting for us to do.
Right.
Yeah. If you're a vegan, comment down below. If you're a vegan, thumbs up. If you've had any of these snacks before as a vegan, give us a thumbs up. And of course, we'll put all the information for the box.
Vegan Eats box. You can visit their Facebook page. On their website as well. They do have a website where they tell you the instruction how to place the order. So that's how you get this box. Again, this was fun. It was different for us.
It was fun and really fun.
Yeah, we tried it and you can see our expression for the first time. Like Devon, out of most of the stuff, Devon is not feeling part of your
really, but I don't know. The shake, man, that one is just.
The shake is, if you know
and
soy milk.
there are two of them in there, like.
If you know soy milk, I mean, I'm going to be the after one to drink both. But if you know soy, it tastes like soy milk and it's fresh, so don't expect anything different for the
I still have the aftertaste.
But I definitely recommend this.
Yeah, this would be my second favorite. So the bar would be my first and this.
The rest will kind of. You know, have to get used to it, but I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. We're going to enjoy the rest of this month. Mostly me, but we're going to enjoy the rest of this month. So
yeah. So we want to thank you for tuning in to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. We hope you really enjoyed this episode. We really had a lot of fun making it and filming for you guys. If there's anything else that you guys want us to try out here on the Jamaican market, please leave those comments below.
Yes.
We do take your suggestions. So leave them below and we will try them and we'll put them up on our channel. Also remember to subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram. Like our Facebook page, and just don't forget to share, comment, and just enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Enjoy the episodes.
We will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye,
vegans.
guys.
Bye, vegans.